Passion or money, mahirap maging passionate kapag gutom ka. Passion or money, one, depende kung ano yung sitwasyon mo sa buhay. Second, wala ba talagang opportunity na parehong may passion na, may money pa. Pero kung talagang kailangan pumili, to be honest, kung ako yung nag-uumpisa, dun muna ako sa money. Because when you have enough money, you can now do what you are passionate about. Sometimes in life, you have to do whatever you need to do for you to be able to do what you want to do. There's this sacrifice stage. There is this delayed gratification na, sige, buuin ko muna to. And then once somewhat nakapag-ipon ako, kapag pundar ako ng panimula ko for the passion that I really wanted to pursue, then mas magkakaroon ka ng backup. Kesa yung puro passion, tapos gutom. Mahirap yun. Mahirap maging passionate kapag gutom ka.